community. This is our number 6. Community participation. Community participation. So when we look at community participation, we have to join, as we discussed earlier, health clubs or groups that promote health or that promote healthy living. This is very important for us. So that promote healthy living. Okay. We also have to participate in community events that promote health and wellness. So these are the 2 things we are the most concerned with. Firstly, join groups, social groups and clubs which promote healthy living. If the local community clinic has called up a meeting where they are going to be discussing healthy matters and children are allowed to attend, please attend. Clinic yemunharaunda, manesi namadokta vanogona kuuya vachida kudzidzisa nharaunda maringe nekutsvinda, that is being healthy. If children are allowed to attend those meetings, please go and learn. You should always love to learn. Then if there are any community events which are promoting health and wellness, you should also be able to attend those. By following these healthy living habits, you can make a positive impact in your society and promote a healthy lifestyle for everyone. So you have a duty to yourself and to everyone so that you can have a happier life. Let us now look at this fascinating issue, which is called the physical activity diary. This is something important to have. If you can afford, you just have to ask your parents to get you one. So look at this physical activity diary. This is a special watch which is called a smart watch. We're going to talk about it. We already know a pencil. This is the diary. And let us read the diary of this particular grade 6 people. Sunday, went jogging around the block. Monday, cycled with friends to the store. Tuesday, helped in garden. Wednesday, did yoga stretches in the lounge. Thursday, walked to the ball at the park. And lastly, Friday, rest day, drank lots of water. So as you can see, these are different activities which are allocated to different days. Zviri kunzi musi Sunday ndakajoga, Monday ndikachovha bhasikoro neshamwari dzangu, Tuesday ndakabatsira mumunda kana mugarden, Wednesday ndakaita mayoga stretches, Thursday ndakanotamba bhora kupark, Friday I rested but drank a lot of water. So this is important to have so that you can track your physical activities. So what is a physical activity diary? A physical activity diary, we want to learn what this is a personal health and fitness record. So this is a personal health and fitness record used to monitor physical activities over a period of time. Over a period of time. So that is what it is. You are monitoring physical activities in a book, a diary, over a period of time. It helps individuals reflect on their effort and plan improvements. So it helps you to reflect on your effort. You'll be able to tell kuti ndiri kumhanya as much as needed here. Am I drinking a lot of water? Am I doing all things as expected here? So you should have your parents, your brothers and sisters, your relatives and friends to help you draft out what you should be writing inside your physical activity diary. So this physical activity diary now, it should have what are called diary entries. So we put diary entries in the physical activity diary. That is what we do. And after having done that, a diary entry includes the type of activity done, such as jogging, how long it lasted, like the time you were jogging, and the time of day it occurred. Some diaries are written by hand, while others are kept using ICT tools like smartwatches or mobile phones. So I don't know if you are allowed yet to have a mobile phone, but maybe you might have a smartwatch. So that smartwatch, it actually counts the number of steps you walk per day. And you should ask your parents and teachers to do a little research which tells you how many steps you are expected to walk per day as a grade 6 school student. So this is important. It takes your heart rate, it takes your blood pressure. This is stopwatch, this is smartwatch, and it also records how many hours if you are doing jogging, you did it so for how long and stuff. So it's a very important tool. Or you can actually have a book where you physically write down. How can a diary help individuals? So that's a subtopic we want to look at. A diary can help individuals. The question is how? And firstly, monitor progress and see patterns over time. So you monitor progress. Ndiri kuimprove here pakumhanya, pakumwa mvura, pakujoga, etc. So monitor progress and see patterns over time. That's also very important. What else? Stay motivated by seeing achievements. So the other thing is motivation. You'll be motivated to do more if you write that I jogged for 10 minutes. Maybe you want to improve tomorrow, so tomorrow you jog for 15 minutes. You keep on doing that until you are able to jog for 1 hour, which is really commendable. So for motivation, then balance different types of exercise such as endurance, strength, and flexibility. So for balancing different exercises, different types of exercises such as endurance, strength, and flexibility. You should be able to unable. You should be able to know and balance the different types of exercises. Identify areas that need improvement. Yes. Samkaona ta? Sandiri kunyora mbuku rangu iri handisi kunyanya kumwa mvura yakakwana. You identify areas that need improvement and you improve in those areas. You see? Okay. Then share information with coaches, teachers, or health professionals. So you have your coaches, you have your parents, your siblings, your relatives, your teachers, which are going to be helping you in how to write down, if you are using a physical diary. Or be it that your parents and guardians, they buy you a watch which is connected to a phone so that they can monitor how many steps you walk a day. If you jog, you did so, what is the distance and time, and many more other things. Okay. The other aspect of the help we get from these physical activity diaries is physical activity diaries may include, what can they include? Weekly or monthly goals. So you can actually set up weekly or monthly goals. Muwiki rino ndiri kuda kunge ndafamba 10,000 steps. That's a goal. Saka these goals, you need your parents and teachers to help you set them up. Then secondly, we can talk about charts or graphs showing time spent per activity. So this feature is almost exclusive to ICT tools, which include that smartwatch or your phone or any other device. So if you have an ICT tool like a smartwatch, it can actually draw up graphs and charts which show you the time you've spent per activity, which is actually a good thing. Notes on how the body feels after each exercise or after each session. So you should know that our exercises are meant to be difficult. They are meant to stretch your body beyond its comfort zone. When you have done an exercise, you should feel something during the exercise and after the exercise. To the effect, sometimes when people have exercises, they can actually feel pain because of the exercise they have done. Then we also have to be able to remember to warm up and cool down. So we need reminders. We can get this on ICT tools like the smartwatch. Remind us to warm up and cool down. Okay.